Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop on a Mac computer. Tutorial 4, inserting an image. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop. So we're going to start this tutorial. Let's now open up the photo.psd file on screen. Double click to open that up. And the photo that we will be inserting will just be a screenshot of the screen itself. So Command Shift and 3 to take a screenshot of the whole Apple Mac computer screen that's now visible on screen. Let's now bring this by drag and drop onto our project, and there we have now inserted the image on screen, which is now ready for editing. So we can now command S to save, quit Photoshop. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.